Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you are good, healthy, and revising important things. So let's begin from question number 61. Girish Karnad wrote in English and. So Girish Karnad was an Indian actor, film director, writer. He wrote plays like Hayavadna Tuglak Yayati, and he used to write in English and Kannada language. Next question. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following Indian writers in order of their birth? So the right answer of this question is option 3. Next question. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Right answer option B, Dada Saheb Phalke. Raja Harishchand was the first film of India और इसके director भी दादा साहब फाल्के ही थे. Next question. Arrange the correct chronological sequence in which the following texts were published. Two Virgins is the work of Kamla Markandeya, published in 1973. The Painter of Science is a 1976 novel by R.K. Narayan. Shadow from Ladakh is a 1966 novel by Bhavani Bhattacharya. This book won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1967. A Bend in the Gangas by Manohar Malgonkar, published in 1964. To Whom She Will is a novel by Ruth Prawar Jhabwala, published in 1955. So here the correct answer is option 3. Next question. Comparative Literature, Indian Dimension. So it's a book written by Swapna Majumdar. Next question. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following works in order of their publication? The Foreigner by Arun Joshi came in 1968. Face to Face by Arun Mehta came in 1957. Next, I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale came in 1968. Next, I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale came in 1968. And Khwaja Ahmad's Abbas Inqilab came in 1955. And G.B. Desani's All About H. Hatter came in 1948. Next question. Arrange these events in chronological order. Publication of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Raj Mohan's Wife. This novella came in the year 1864. Macaulay's Minutes upon Indian Education was presented in 1835. And on 1910, Ravindranath Tagore published his world-famous work Geetanjali. And on 1780, India's first newspaper, that is Hickey's Bengal Gazette, was published. So here the correct option is option 1. Guys, beside these questions, you should go for all the CUET question papers separately. And if you want the CUET 2024 question paper, you should click on the link given in the description box. Next question number 68. Which of the following terms in Aristotle's theory refers to the error of judgment? Right answer is hamartia. Catharsis is purgation or purification of emotion like pity and fear. Hubris is the excessive pride जिसमें कि character की downfall होती है. And mimesis is the process of imitation. And if you know, then comment where this theory of Aristotle is described. Next question. According to Aristotle, a change from ignorance to knowledge producing love or hate between the person destined by the poet or for good or bad fortune is. Right answer is anagnosis, meaning recognition. Anagram, it is a word or phrase जो कि किसी word या letters के rearrangement से form होता है. Denouement का मतलब where all the conflicts are solved, the ending part. An anaphora is the repetition of a word or a phrase at the beginning of each line. Next question. A verbal mistake in which initial consonant sound of two words are transposed often to comedic effect is known as. Right answer option 1. And if you want the definition of these terms, you can check out the description box. Next question. What is the appropriate sequence of each of the following parts of a plot? So here B, A and then C is correct. So option C. Next question number 72. Which of these statements is or are true about Aristotle's Poetics? The Poetics is a short treatise of 26 chapters and 45 pages. That's true. It does not say much about comedy, touches rather briefly on the epic. That's also true. The concept of catharsis has been fully developed in the Poetics. No. So the two options A and B are correct, but C is incorrect. Next question. The term diction signifies the choice and arrangements of words. Next question number 74. Arrange the following elegies in chronological order of their publication. इन सारे elegies को chronological order में सजाना है. Adonis by P.B. Shelley, written on the death of John Keats, and it was published in the year 1821. And John Keats died of tuberculosis. And Lycidas is a pastoral elegy by John Milton, written in the memory of Edward King in the year 1638. In Memoriam was written by Alfred Lord Tennyson for his friend Arthur Henry Hallam, who died of cerebral hemorrhage. This elegy was published in 1850. So here the correct answer is option 1. Next question, a novel which incorporates an account of its own genesis and development called right answer involuted novel. Pale Fire by Vladimir Nabokov is an example of this type of novel.